If you would like to bulk upload flight logs, I'm going to show you how. From the dashboard in Dronedesk, click on the profile menu in the top right hand corner and choose settings from the drop down list. From the settings menu, click on data import and scroll down to pilot flight logs. Download the template by clicking on the yellow button. Add data to the template using these criteria. Delete this test row before uploading. Save and return to Dronedesk, where you can use the upload button to add your data to Dronedesk.